Right, MSD wires. Decided to use these wires because they didn't even advertise it. I don't know if you even know this, but they don't tell you anymore. It doesn't say anywhere. You have to read the reviews. That would blow it out. But see, it says extra thick boots, dual cramp, all the good stuff. But it doesn't say, hey, for tight spots, these actually bend. I'm not going to bend them until I install it, but these actually bend to 45 degrees. So when you stick it in there, you have room to kind of budge it and get out of the way. Never heard of it. One thing I did hear about is that they click in securely. That's the reason why I want to get them, because in my Corvette, they're tight spots, and I got another plug wires, and I couldn't tell if they're in or not, and I think it was causing misfires, and you could smell burning and things. I was like, where's the burning smell? I thought it was from here, but I think it's on the inside because it's arcing. But anyways, since these click and bend here, should be better. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that. And I also got this for a couple of plug wires that are a little tight, hitting the headers. I have long tube headers, and that's another thing I'll be trying to see if that works as well. Boot protectors, just 2 of them. And I actually have some other stuff that I've been using to protect the, not the boots, but the wire, because those can burn. So we'll show you in a little bit what I'm talking about. And oh, these come with this, so you can actually number your plug wires as well. Cool. And these cool stickers as well. One of the tips I've been reading is to use dielectric grease. I've had actually this one for a little while, but they still sell it. It's a dielectric grease. It's a silicone-based grease, but it doesn't conduct. It actually shields it from conducting. It's anti-conductive. So the reason why is because when it's in the boot, you don't want it to touch the metal. Okay, so you're not covering. Where's the alarm with that? You're not covering metal. Okay, you're not touching metal because that'll not conduct. But you want it in the boot, the rubber or the silicone, so it's easier to slide in and protect it from waterproofing slash arcing, so it doesn't arc somewhere else. And also it's supposed to be easier to install. So that's why I'm going to be putting a little bit in the bottom boot here, just a little bit. But again, now in the middle, I didn't know that in my past. I'm not putting too much. Just put a thin amount, so I'm going real thin. I'm just putting a little bit. Probably is too little, but it's okay. Use sparingly. So it's okay. Better a little than too much. Okay, then I'm gonna install these in the car after I get the other ones out. So these are JDM Speed brands, and I think they're good if you had the room to put everything in. And I just didn't feel secure getting it. You see how maybe it's hard to see here. It's just wobbly, and I don't know if it's because I don't get the wire in all the way or what. And this one is not as wobbly, but down here it's hard to see. It's just wobbly all over, and it just feels, I feel less confident how secure it is. But if you have like a truck and they have a lot of room to insert stuff, I think they're great for space or adjusting because of the angle, but they're hard to install. I'll show you in a second. I think they're hard to install because you gotta come at this angle, and unfortunately some spots in there it's really tight and you can't really get that angle to press on. So I wasn't sure how secure this was, so I had not a lot of confidence on it, but they were built pretty solid and they're priced right. But again, I just didn't feel it. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go with the MSDs, which are the old G ones, and see how that goes in. And hopefully, first of all, I want to hear a click. See if I can do this. Can I get in there? Oh, you hear that? See, that's what I was getting. When I hear that click, it tells me, hey, it's on, you're good to go. You know what I mean? So that's my feeling of confidence on it. Just a simple click, and I couldn't get that click on that one. It doesn't mean it's bad, it's just, I don't know. So my understanding is this is supposed to click. I'm not getting a click on that one, so I'm gonna mess with it and see where I can. I'm gonna demonstrate it again, see if you could catch it. It's not a double click. I don't know why some people say double click or tap, but I definitely hear it click. Give me a second. Let me get this there so you can hear it. Let's see. Did you hear that? That was a click. So it's definitely in. And it just feels more secure. It's a little wobbly here. I can feel like touching that plug, but it's on the plug because I heard that click. So I'm really confident about that. And there's enough gap, but if I wanted to, my understanding is this bends. Yep. See that? Now I can bend it. And that was a little secret that they didn't really tell me in any reviews. And say, hey, these bend out your way. Look at that. Bend out your way. See? You don't have to worry about it as much. You have a good amount of play. You're not touching anything. So that's crazy. They bend out your way. Cool. So now 7 more times. These are harder to get at, by the way. So hopefully I could get that one's not bad, but it's just tight right here. I'm actually okay. So we'll be back with that click. I'm actually confident now. I feel a click. I feel better. So these 4, like I said, you could bend it. It's hard to see, but I bent it out the way so it wouldn't hit the header. You just bend it the way you need it, and technically, except for number 7, it's super tight. It's definitely going to need a boot, but we'll see in a minute. But yeah, it clicks. So I don't know what this double tap click, but you could hear it click. So and definitely just 1 click, not 2. Yeah, just 1 click, but still it was a firm click, so that's great. Guys, oh, it was hard. But I like how they're bendable, like I said, on that bottom base. And correction, they need a double click. You push it, you hear a click. Push it harder, you hear a double click. This one didn't look as flush as the other one, but I got a double click out of that guy. So these are secure as you can. The bottom part, you get 1 click to the plug. The top is double click, 2 clicks, double tap. Okay, so make sure you hear it twice. Some of them you gotta really put some pressure, but that means it won't come out that easy as well. So I'm gonna start it up in a minute. Cross my fingers, no more misfires.
Put it in. Finally. I don't hear that rough thing.
It started good.
Yeah, it started good. I don't hear a rough thing going on.
I don't hear that kick.
No. No kick.
A little bit. Slight kick.
Slight kick.
Not that loud kick.
Not an auto one.
Before it was a loud kick. So it was a wire. So before I'll play it.